Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down audience and 3 concrete goals. This shapes everything. Once done, assemble 5-10 reference items so the AI has context. Then pick your model and set generation parameters, temperature lower for accuracy, higher for creativity. Make sure to draft a focused brief, topic, target keywords, desired structure. Next, ask the AI for a title and an outline. Iterate quickly until headings match your goals. This gets you into productive, content-first work immediately. Now you build the body. Prompt the AI to draft each section using clear instructions, word counts, and examples. Once the AI returns text, ask for revisions, tighten sentences, improve transitions, or change tone. Make sure to verify facts and add proprietary insights. Use the AI to suggest supporting quotes and internal links. If a paragraph is weak, request a 1-paragraph rewrite or a bulleted alternative. Continue this iterative loop until each heading reads like finished copy. Finally, perform a focused edit for voice, clarity, and factual accuracy. Read aloud and fix flow problems. Once polished, optimize SEO elements, title tags, meta description, headings, image alt text, and schema, and prepare featured image options. Schedule or publish, then monitor performance metrics for 1-2 weeks and iterate. If you encounter AI hallucinations or wrong facts, regenerate only the affected segments, compare versions, and keep the correct one. This targeted fix prevents full rewrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.